In this video tutorial, we'll walk through the steps of setting up a parent portal account in Powerschool so that you can see your child's current progress and attendance in all their classes. We'll show you how to set up a parent account and how to navigate around once you get inside. The first thing you must have if you're a parent is your student's linked access code and PIN. You can get this code by calling your school or from a letter that was sent out to you during registration. Once you obtain your access key and passcode, you can begin. Note that this is not your login username. It is only information required to set up your account. You can access Powerschool in a number of ways. One way is to open your browser and type in the Powerschool URL. This will take you directly to the Powerschool sign-in page. You can also access it via the RISD website. Navigate to the Powerschool icon, which leads to the Powerschool page. Click the Parent Portal Access. You have two options once you reach the sign-in page. One is to sign in, the other is to create a new account. We're going to create a new account. Click the Create Account and then fill in the information in the ensuing blanks. Remember that this username will be used as your login to access Powerschool from now on. You can set passwords ranging from weak to strong, but they must be at least 8 characters long. Stronger passwords will utilize both upper and lower case letters, as well as numbers and symbols. After this is completed, you're going to link your students to the account. Each student will have received their own letter from their school providing the access ID and password. Enter that number into the box and then do the same with the access password. Remember that this ID and password is used only to set up your account. To get into Powerschool after the setup, you will use the username that you chose earlier. Use the drop-down menu to select your relationship to the student. If you have more than one student, repeat these steps. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Enter. You will then be prompted to log into your parent portal account using the username you created. Once you sign in, you will immediately be sent to the Grades and Attendance page. From there, you can see all the courses your student is enrolled in, and you will see an overall grade in each course. If you click on a letter grade, you will be able to see the progress of your student on a week-to-week basis. You can also click on the absences number and get details on when your student missed class. Grades are stored on Powerschool, so you can go back and look at your students' grades from previous years. Just click on the Grade History tab on the left side menu. From there, you'll see the current year's grades, and grades from past years will be accessible on tabs at the top of the page. You can sign up for email notifications so you can personally receive updates on your student's school progress without having to frequently log into Powerschool. To do this, click on Email Notifications. From there, you can add additional email addresses from which to receive email notifications. You can also select the types of notifications you wish to receive, as well as the frequency of your notifications. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Powerschool tutorial. Powerschool is a great tool that parents can utilize to help them keep up with what their students are learning at school. This tutorial was designed to introduce you to a few of the basic features of the Powerschool software. If you have questions or need further assistance, please email parenthelp@risd.k12.nm.us.